Want to learn Google Cloud for free? Start in 2025 with these powerful tools, simple, fast, and free. First up, Cloud Skills Boost, Google's own hub with real labs, real projects, and zero cost. Get hands-on with GCP tools, earn skill badges, and level up like a pro. Next is Coursera, official Google Cloud courses you can audit free. Just pay for the certs. Learn at your own pace with videos, quizzes, and in-demand cloud skills. Don't miss YouTube's Google Cloud Tech, fast tips, live demos, and real-world tutorials. Binge-watch playlists from beginner to expert and stay updated with the latest tools. No excuses in 2025. The cloud is the future, so follow now or be left behind.